Let's learn how to operate the hot air oven. First, return the trolley and tray to their positions. Close the oven door. And connect the power supply wires L1, L2, L3, and N. Then switch on the total power, fan power, heating power and control power in sequence. When starting up, press the settings button to set the desired temperature. Next, turn on the fan and then the electric heating. The hot air oven will now begin operation.